So hey guys, welcome back sa itong vlog, and today guys is day 8 sa ito ang home quarantine. And today guys is we're gonna disinfect our motorcycle because as we know, motorcycle can be infected also. Makakahawa din yun. Bakit? Kasi yung motor natin pag nagbabiyahe pupunta yung virus sa motor, so dapat natin ligo yung motor natin.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
So yung gagamitin ko guys na sabon is Joy na panghugas para medyo kikintab yung motor tapos ma-disinfect pa. So tara, linis na.
So what's gone is gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the.
So this is my motor guys, no, walang ligo. Wala pa yung ano. So this is a Rouser 135. 3 years na to sa akin guys. Medyo luma na. So kailangan nating linisan. So, most area na kailangan linisan guys is yung handle dito. Yung dalawa. Lahat na shoutout pala kay JCat Moto. Thank you sa sticker idol. JCat Moto. Don't forget to subscribe guys ha, JCat Moto.
That's la la life.
So guys, malinis na yung motor. Patuyuin natin. Lagyan natin doon. Yan, good na yan. Disinfected na yan. Siyempre si JCat Moto. JCat Moto guys, thank you. Thank you idol, thank you. Thank you. Say hi to the camera, Pinky. Pinky! Say hi to the camera. Shh. Pinky! Shh. Pinky! Punta ka dito. Come here. Imong gilabtan akong camera ha. Imong gilabtan ha. Nag-video ko ha. Ha? Oh, sige, smile. Pinky, say hi. Hi. Hi muna. Pinky. Oh, mo ha. Pinky? Pinky. So guys, dapat yun review na to motor no kay para iwas COVID-19. Hindi ta sponsor guys, pero I use this for how many years na sa pag-review sa motor. So shout out pala sa mga riders dyan. So mga riders no, dapat maghugas kayo ng motor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mas mata. Ikaw ha, labtanon kay ka ha. Ikaw ha, ha? Hey guys, ito si Pinky oh. Pinky, si Pinky. Ano ha? Pinky Shong Shong. Pinky. So that's for it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and sana limpihan yung motor no para iwas NCOV sa motor. So nagbibiyahe dyan no, stay quarantine, stay home, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.